Yo, what's going on, folks, man? I'm your boy Money Man, coming back to you again from, you already know what it is. It's the set, man. Bro, I ain't been so excited to get a pair of non-retro Jordan sneakers in. That's not a collab in, quite some time, bro. It's been a while. But today, man, we have the Jordan 40 in the Chicago colorway. Yeah, man. I am super stoked about this shoe because it ties in the Jordan 1 all the way up to the 40, bruh. We got the swoosh right here. And we have the Wings logo on the inside of both shoes, bruh. Yeah, I'm good with these. Down to the material choices, the laces. The laces are something to be, I think they are quite underestimated. I really like the flair that the lace choice brings with this shoe. It kind of reminds me of the laces in the Jordan, I want to say 10s, the steels, maybe, might be a little off. But anyway, I do really like that they added that flair. And with the Nike Air in red and white here on the tongue, bro, these are a absolute win for me. I can't say enough about the design choices on these, down to the traction pattern on the bottom of the shoe. Bruh, these are nice, and I've whiffed on every other pair of Jordan 40s that came out, but when I seen these, I made a video on it, and I knew that I had to have the 40s in the Chicago colorway in my possession. But the only downside is, bruh, somebody in the comments in that other video said, bro, you need to go a half size or a whole size up. It was too late, bro. It was too late. I already had them on the way, man. So yeah, if you are going to get these, go a half size to a whole size up. I am a size 12. These don't fit. I can get my foot in them. And I don't have a wide foot. They are super tight. And that's because of the lockdown cushion on the inside that locks your foot down. These are really made for hooping, and you need to go a half size to a whole size up if you are going to be wearing them casually like me, because let's be honest, I ain't hooping no more these days, and I don't want to mess up my VA disability out there hooping. I'm just kidding. I can't really do that, but yeah. Anyway, I was digressing just a little bit, but hey, man, this is a slick shoe. Like, I can't stress that enough. If you do have the opportunity to cop these, go ahead, do yourself a favor and cop them. Number one, it's a dope ass shoe. Number two, it's the 40-year anniversary of Jordan brand sneakers, and this one brings it in with a quite nice surprise with the swoosh and the Wings logo on the interior of the shoe. Bruh, I'm good, man. So I'm gonna quit babbling on this video. Just know that the material choices, just like the other Jordan 40s, are very good on these. The comfort, albeit this size is small, you can feel the cushion on the inside. You can feel the responsiveness. You can feel how it's going to lock down your foot. The traction pattern is super sick. You got a 40 here on the traction pattern. Back here, you know we got the Zoom X technology in this shoe, man. Air Jordan on the back. Bruh, do yourself a favor. Go ahead and pick these up. But again, go a half size, a whole size up. I'm digging them. I'm gonna go right now to actually try to get a pair in my size, and let's hope that we can get these in my size, man. Because if not, I'm gonna be bummed out because I don't want to have to pay resale, but I think I'll have some pretty decent luck with these. At least I hope so. If not, we're just gonna cop something else, man, and on to the next one. But bro, these are a must have for any Jordan brand fan or any Jordan fan, because it's the 40-year anniversary, and these come in the Chicago colorway, which we already know the history of the Chicago colorway. That's all I got, man. Check out some of this B-roll, bruh. I think that we got? No, cause we ain't got no B-roll, bro. We ain't got no B-roll, cause I can't fit these, so I'm not finna even do that. But anyway, I'm gonna get on out of here and go do something important, like exchange these and try to get a 13 with the rest of my life, as you should as well. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button on your way out. That helps the channel grow as we are trying to do here on the set. I'm your boy Money Matt, folks. I'm gonna get on out of here. Head to Foot Locker, Champs, wherever I can in Florida Mall and see if I can get another pair of these. I'm your boy, folks. I'm gone to the store.
A few moments later.
They so sick, bro. They so sick. Look at them. Oh, look at them. Bruh, this is a nice pair of shoes. These joints is crazy. I lied and said we ain't got no B-roll, but we got a little B-roll. Check them out. I can't. I gotta go. I gotta go try to get another pair, man. I gotta go. Let me know in the comment section, bro. Should I leave them or not? Nah, you never mind. We ain't even gonna do that. Hey, I'm your boy, man. I'm gonna get on out of here. This B-roll is kind of crazy, but it is. Man, look at them, bro. Look at them. Ooh. All right, folks. I'm gone for real this time. Peace.